Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and I bet you didn't think you were going to see the Subaru again this year. I'm just watching a squirrel here. Sorry, I get distracted by squirrels just like dogs do. Squirrels are amazing, especially when they chuck things at me. I don't know what he's doing over there. I gotta go check in a minute. Subaru. I'm going to try to get it running before the new year. Actually, today. I'm actually really hoping. I say actually a lot. Wow, that's crazy. So let's see if we can get ourselves. By the way, it's December 26th. And it's a day off. And it's nice out. Wow, it's like 1 degree out here. This is a Festivus miracle, I gotta say. You know, Festivus for the rest of us. Come on. We all love Jerry, the Seinfeld show. Well, maybe not all of us did. I don't know. But I do know. Let me try to get this video underway here. And I'll be taking multi-angle shots of this. Well, I'll be moving the camera around a lot because all I have is one camera. So yes, I'll be getting different angle shots of this by moving the camera around. So there you go. I need some tools. So what I'll be doing here is putting the coil back on. The coil. There it is. So right-handy right there. 10 mil. It's a 10 mil. Still got my cordless ratchet. It's an awesome little thing. Where does this thing go? Where does this thing go? Okay, goes like this. All right, I think I can get it. Maybe. I'm not sure. I am really not sure. Look at that, frog in the throat again. Man, how many videos is that with a frog in the throat? Way too many. Okay, come on. I don't know if it's on, it's on reverse, so that would have been excellent. Okay, come on. Oh. And that one doesn't want to go for some reason. Oh, hey. What? I got that on reverse again? Oh, what the? Why did it clip over again? Well, no wonder. Oh, my word, this is just awesome. There we go. Can I get in here to this one? Yeah. There we go. Okay, let us. Oh. Where's that connector? Oh, why didn't I move that connector to where I needed it? There it is. You know, even at 1 degree out here, your hands still get mighty darn cold. Man, I'm like, what's that all about? There we go. Connected. Plug this in. There we go. All right. So far, so good. Maybe. What do I got to do now? It's not time yet for another multi-angle, but a multi-er wide angle. So, oh, nope, oh, look, yeah, move the camera, multi-angle. I got another multi-angle here. I gotta put these covers on. Dang, these covers are annoying. Okay, it goes through here. Hey, that looks like I got it right there. Oh. First try-ish. First try-ish. I never usually use those covers that much, but what did I do with the bolts? Oh yeah, right. I know where they are. I put them up here on the sill. For some reason, this one in. Now put this one in. Hopefully, if I can find the. There we go. All right, those are 12. Now, I did bring a 12, which makes me expert on knowing that it's a 12 since I've worked on this many times. Ooh. All right, can I get this snuck in here? Yes, yes I can. Okay, we got the covers on. That's going to plug into the air box, I think. Let's do the other side. Another multi-angle shot coming up. So I have a slight problem. I do not and cannot find the right cover, well, the left side cover for this vehicle. I had a couple of covers. They're not the right one. So I will have to wait to get that on. I can still set up, though, the ignition, put the ignition wires on, and then see if it starts, which is what I'm going to do. First, though, I have to figure out what plug wire goes where. Dang, wish I had a book. So, getting these ignition wires on. I'm just using the ignition wires that came with it. I have a new set for it, but I'll put those on later. These are, well, move you over here so you can see a bit. I believe this top one here, right here, goes to the front one here. At least I hope it does. You never know when you look at the internet to see if something goes where it's supposed to. Move this out of the way for a minute. And the other shortest one. The bottom one goes on the, so this one is the number 1. This goes on the top one here. Don't know if you can see it now. There you are. And this bottom one here goes on, get it under here, the second hole here. And there we go. That should be right. If it's not, then it's wrong. And for the other side. For the other side. See, multi-moving camera. Okay, I'm going to do something here. So on this side, actually, you know what? I'm going to put on the other one first, because I'll be able to reach it easier down in here. I hope. There we go. That one goes on the back plug here. Come down like that. Da, da, da. You know how it is, don't you? Into the hole. Push until she's clicked in like that. And the top one on this side, this one in here, goes on the front hole. At least that's my understanding of how this works. I could be totally wrong. And she's clicked in. So, there we go. We're so much closer now. I want to put the air box on. So I got the air box. What is... I don't know. I got one leftover plug in here. I don't know where it goes. Does it go over there? I don't know. I'll have to find that out. Air box. So this is a pedestal for it. Oh, I didn't put on the other pedestal. Oh, okay. I gotta get that on. Darn. Okay. I'll get that other pedestal put on there too. At least I hope I will. How does this thing go? How does it go? Go like this? Oh. Honestly, I don't know how this thing goes in here. Wow. Thought it went in like that, but I don't think so. Alright, we'll wait to put that on until I figure out where it goes. I don't know where it goes. But it probably does go there. Yeah, it probably does. Well, whatever. Let's just get this thing put on here for now. There we go. And you got these hoses. They go on here, I believe. Yeah. This thing sits there perfectly. Well, so far so good, right? Maybe. Let's move this out of the way. I don't want it getting in the way. You can sit there. So many more parts that will have to go on here before I'm done. So, how's this? It's gonna get spark. It's gonna get fuel. This should go, right? I don't know if it will, but let me grab a battery and let's see if it turns over. So there we go. I got my Honda Civic battery in it. And I don't know, something else I was going to say. Oh, sound warning. Sound warning. If it starts, there is no headers on this vehicle, so she will be loud. And if you do get to see it blow up right now, then fine. Whatever happens, happens. Might not even start. So, you never know. Might not start at all. I'm kind of hoping it does start. Do I got a key for it? That's my wife's crappy keys. Oh, no. I thought I had a key for it. Still looking. There we go. I got a key for it. Good old Subaru key. So, let's see what happens. I'm hoping nothing bad happens, by the way. I spent a lot of time on this engine, getting her ready. So, please don't blow up. And if you do, make it spectacular so this video will get 1 million views. There you go. Woo. There you can see I'm a happy guy. Man, this thing runs good. Runs very good. I'm going to be happy with it. Love the sound of those boxer engines, eh? Not too bad. It does run. There's a few things I got to button up in here. That'll be maybe for next year if we get a nice early spring. This hot air, hot whatever. My tachometer was not working. So, I'm going to have to check that. It's got to be something, right? I do have a few things unplugged here, so I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to figure all that out. But, wow. Started up. I had me worried there at the beginning. But then it went. Boy, this ends a good year. This ends a good year. I'm very happy. I can see my fuel is leaking over there. Why is it leaking over there? Oh no, it's leaking. Where? Oh, I think the whole unit is. Oh yeah. Well, I think that whole unit is. Okay, I can get another one of those at the wrecker or buy one. Dang it. There's always something, right? Oh, well, it was spraying gas everywhere, I see. Dang. Oh, well, she runs. I don't care. I can always fix that. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed me getting her going before the new year. Yeah, on the 26th today. Beautiful day out here. I love working on vehicles when it's this nice out in the winter. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.